Billboard na ako. Sorry po.
Jocelyn Pagudpod. Jocelyn Kalina Pagudpod, the visionary CEO of Extreme Blooms Corporation, is revolutionizing the home care industry with its premium, eco-friendly, and highly effective products. She has led the company from the ground up and has earned numerous awards for her visionary leadership.
Hello mga Extreme, ayan, teaser lang. Meron tayong pupuntahang important event ngayon. Siyempre, mamaya nyo na yan malalaman kung ano at saan. So yun, kita nyo naman, bigat na talaga yung katawan ko dito. Parang hindi ko na talaga ito kakayanin hanggang mamaya. Kaya, carry lang. Try lang natin ito i-carry hanggang mamayang secret. So yan, thank you, and see you.
Oh, bye!
Kala nyo lang ano to, pero mas kakaawa kami pagdating doon kasi yung mga ano nila, bonggacious yan, may mga pakpak, ganun.
Ano sir?
Diba kuya mo?
Bye!
Marian Rivera. Ang taba ko. Grabe. Nandito na tayo sa The Heritage Hotel. So, mag-receive tayo ng award, and then mag-guest speaker ako in front of some artista and mga successful people na hindi naman lahat entrepreneurs. So yun, kaya ibang set naman to ng pag-guest speakeran ko. Kaya sana ma-inspire ko sila. So yun, thank you so much.
Please welcome Jocelyn Pagudpod. Jocelyn Kalina Pagudpod, the visionary CEO of Extreme Blooms Corporation, is revolutionizing the home care industry with its premium, eco-friendly, and highly effective products. She has led the company from the ground up and has earned numerous awards for her visionary leadership and dedication to quality and innovation. Today, our company has become a household name trusted by thousands of customers across Asia and is the recipient of prestigious awards. Once again, congratulations.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jocelyn Kalina Pagudpod, and I am the founder and CEO of Extreme Blooms Corporation. Before I begin, I want to express my deepest gratitude to Dr. Michael Kevin Eustaquio for the opportunity to speak in front of you tonight. And I would like to say good evening to all the successful professionals, mga artists na nandito ngayong gabi. And yun, I used to speak po sa mga small entrepreneurs, mga nanay, mga OFWs, and mga retirees po. Pero ngayon, ang set ng mga audience ko are all successful people and artists. So, ibang-iba talaga siya. And hindi ko alam bakit napili ako ni Dr. Michael. And yun, lahat naman tayo, alam ko, meron tayong kanyang-kanyang mga successful stories ngayon. And na may share, of course, katulad ko, nauna lang ako. And I hope hindi man lahat na kayo ma-inspire sa story ko. I hope may isang man sa inyo out there na ma-inspire man lang sa story ko. to share po. Ayun, ayun, I didn't come from a place of privilege po. Ayan, I grew up in the province, living in a simple nipahat with my family. Sorry, na-late yung aking okay. Ayan, so ito yung aking humble beginning. Ayan. Life was hard and every day was a lesson, patience and sacrifice of hope. Ayan. I was not only a mother, I was also a daughter. And I spent years taking care of my parents while raising my own children. Ayan. We didn't have much, but we have each other, and I truly believe that those years of caring my family, especially my parents, opened the doors of blessings in my life po. And I was also, as you can see, part of a Porpis program of the DSWD, the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program. Ayan. Ayan. That was not just a label. It was a painful truth that once in our life po, naging puris of the poor kami. So there was a survey and then na-approve kami as one of the Porpis and pinatawag kami sa barangay. Ayan, sabi, approve kayo, so Porpis na kayo, and then nakita ko sa paper yung pangalan namin and naka-label doon na poorest of the poor. So hindi lang siya label. Talagang napakasakit niya in our part, in my part, because it was really meant relying on government aid to survive po. It was meant that waking up every day with barely enough and still hoping that tomorrow could be better. That was the moment I told myself that I refuse to let my family and I will not die in poverty. So I'm a mother of five, and each child gave me another reason to keep fighting for a better life. My business journey started with something small. Ayan. Can you please turn? Ayan. So yeah, my business journey started with something small. So ganyan lang kami before. So maliit na kwarto kami, nagtitimpla. Ayan, a few bottles of dishwashing liquid made in our humble home. So we were a family, ayan. So, sobrang liit nung inuupahan naming bahay. Tulong-tulong kami nagtitimpla, nagbabox, nagle-label. So yan kami noon. I had no money, no factory, no big capital, just a formula. Recycled bottles lang din yung ginagamit ko before. And yun, lots of determination lang po talaga. I started selling in market, as vendor, ayan, sa karinderya. So naglalako lang ako sa kariton noon. And then pumupunta lang ako sa palengke, sa vendor, tapos sa mga restaurant kung meron, sa mga kapitbahay, ganyan. Hindi ako marunong mag-cellphone dati, keypad lang kasi siya. So way back 2019, talagang keypad lang yung aking cellphone. Kaya hindi ko alam before kung ano yung marketplace. Sabi nila, kaysa naglalako ka, bakit hindi ka mag-post sa marketplace? So sabi ko, ano ba yung marketplace? So pinagtanong-tanong ko siya. And then kailangan pala na ang cellphone mo hindi keypad. Kasi kailangan mo mag-post, mag-take ng pictures. Kaya nanghiram ako nun ng mga cellphone sa kakilala para lang makapag-post ako sa marketplace. And then nung nakapag-post ako, so yun nga, may mga umorder nga. So hindi lang yung mga naging kapitbahay ko, hindi lang yung mga kakilala ko personally, pati mga hindi ko kakilala, naging customer ko sila. And then comes pandemic, so doon na po siya nag-boom. Kasi ang dami pong nawalan ng trabaho, ang dami pong talagang nangailangan ng pagkakakitaan. And doon ko naisip na gumawa ako ng do-it-yourself kits po. So yun yung mga raw materials na titimplahin tapos ibebenta. So ganun siya, ganun nag-start yung journey ko sa Extreme Blooms po. Of course, not just a product line, but a platform to help people build their own businesses po. Ayan po, and I'm proud to say po na I have helped thousands of families and individuals who now earning living by selling soap and home care products po. Ayan, and I have already my people, ayan, I have almost 100 people na ngayon, and may warehouse na rin, ayan, and maraming jobless talaga na nabigyan ng trabaho, and yun, naging confident sila, naging financially stable po sila. Some naging distributors ko, some naging mentors, ayan. And natatandaan ko si Dr. Kevin, Dr. Mike, ayan po, naging customer ko pa siya. And now ngayon, naging mentor ko na siya. Ayan, thank you. Ayan. And today, Extreme Blooms, yes po, has its own warehouse. We have 500 active distributors po. We've been recognized with national and international awards, including Asia's Most Outstanding Premium Home Care Products, and also, I know, may award din ngayon. Ayan, pero above all the awards po, ang pinaka-rewarding po and pinaka-fulfilling po sa part ko ay yung marinig po sa mga customer ko, sa mga kakilala ko, na nagti-thank you sila sa akin. Like, thank you kasi nabigyan mo kami ng negosyo na hindi naman namin iniisip, hindi namin napangarap na magkakaroon pala kami ng sarili naming negosyo. And thank you kasi nakapagtapos yung anak ko, may allowance yung mga anak ko. And thank you kasi hindi na nag-abroad yung asawa ko. Sorry, kasi talagang sobrang nakaka-touch lang kapag parang nag-whisper sa akin yung mga words na gano'n na naririnig ko from my customers. Ayan po. And of course, na-build ko yung maraming relationships po. Kasi yung products namin, hindi siya yung product na pag nabili mo ngayon, next year ka na ulit bibili, or baka hindi ka na bumili ng matagal. Kasi yung products na to, pag consumable siya, pag bumili ka ngayon, na-ibenta mo ngayon, babalik ka sa akin, and then bibili ka ulit. Kaya ang dami ko talagang naging friends, mga yung relationship talaga, ang dami kong na-build na relationship. Kaya doon, mas naging overwhelming, mas naging feel ko, blessed talaga po ako. Ayan, and yun po, looking back po, I've learned so much. And I want to share a few lessons po with you. One, poverty is not permanent. Diba po? You can rise from any situation, no matter how dark or difficult it is. Number two, starting small is powerful. Diba po? Nangyari sa akin, even a tiny step, repeated every day, can take you somewhere incredibly po. And number three, caring for other brings blessings po. I believe the reason God poured out blessings in my life because I gave love and service first to my dear parents na wala na sila ngayon, and to others. So ayun po. And for your story matters. No matter how humble your beginnings, your story has the power to inspire others po. So yun, to everyone here today, thank you for allowing me to speak po. You may see me now as a CEO, but I am still the same woman from the province, the one who lived in a nipa hut, who sold soap door to door, who cried when there was no sales who raised for our 5 kids with faith instead of funds. I may not be fluent in business terms, but I speak the language of great grace and gratitude po. So bago po ako magtapos, I want to give my deepest thanks to Dr. Michael Kevin Eustaquio. Sabi ko na, sir, iyak talaga. Sorry po. Sabi ko na talaga, dito talaga ako iiyak. So, if it weren't for Sir Mike, I would have never experienced being featured in magazine. Sorry, ayan. Having those beautiful posters. Ayan, di ba, no? Kita niyo dati yung itsura ko nung nasa province pa ako. Sorry. Ayan, seeing myself, sir. Billboard na ako. Sorry po. Ayan. Sorry. Sir Mike, kahit maghirap po ako ulit, I know you'll still be there to help and support me and believe in me. That act of kindness I will carry forever po. Maraming salamat po. And yun po, thank you everyone. And salamat po sa Panginoong Diyos kasi nakita niya po lahat ng mga paghihirap ko. And kinikilala ko po na kaya po talaga ako binless ng Panginoong Diyos ay dahil po siguro sa pag-aaruga ko sa aking mga magulang. Ngayon po yung pwede kong maiwan sa inyo na arugayin po natin yung mga magulang natin hindi dahil responsibility natin sila, kundi dahil po mahal natin sila. Ganun po. Yung po talaga yung magkakaroon ng blessing mula sa taas. Salamat po and magandang gabi po sa inyo. Maraming salamat na.
So yun, thank you guys. Thank you sa marketing team ko na sobrang napuyat. And yun, tulog-tulog na lang hanggang hapon bukas. Ay, mamaya. So thank you. Thank you guys. So yun mga ka-extreme. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagamitin kong pagbati. Morning na. So, 2 AM na. And yan, natapos na yung awarding. And yan, nakatanggap tayo ng, ano ba ito? Most awarded and most trusted entrepreneur with seal of excellence in home care products. So, ito siya. So, ang dami yun. Diba? So, yun. And, pero yung pinakamahalaga is yung nag-guest speaker tayo and I was able to deliver and alam ko na-inspire ko yung marami. Kasi talagang tahimik yung lahat and nakinig talaga sila and umiyak daw sila. So, ang dami daw umiyak and so yun, feeling ko na-inspire ko naman sila and yun yung pinaka significant na nangyari today. So, above on top of my awards. So, yun yung pinaka best thing na na-share ko for today. And yun, thank you Sir Migs and thank you sa award giving body. Thank you po. And thank you sa team ko na sobrang nagtiyaga nahintayin hanggang matapos. Ayan, sa driver, thank you Kabong, thank you talaga. And yan, so dinededicate ko ang award na ito for syempre sa mga tao ko na super dedicated, super supportive, and super cooperative, and super yun, patient sa trabaho nila, hardworking, yan. And sa family ko, kahit hindi ko kayo kasama, ayan, masaya ako. And thank you again. Thank you and good morning na. Bye-bye.